Hey guys! The Yamaha YAS-209BL is a great soundbar for its price range, and I'm going to tell you why. The Yamaha Audio YAS-209BL is a soundbar and wireless subwoofer combo that offers a well-balanced sound profile, a built-in Alexa feature, and DTS Virtual X technology for a more immersive sound experience. It is designed to be sleek and discreet, and it can fit under most TVs or be wall-mounted. The YAS-209BL is a soundbar that has received many positive reviews from various sources. It is praised for its clear and balanced sound, its built-in Alexa feature, and its DTS Virtual X technology that creates a virtual surround effect. The sound quality of the YAS-209BL is impressive, especially for its price range. The soundbar delivers clear and crisp dialogue thanks to the clear voice mode that enhances the vocals. The subwoofer adds a good amount of bass, making the sound more dynamic and punchy. The DTS Virtual X mode creates a surround effect that widens the soundstage and adds some height to the audio, although it is not as realistic as a true Dolby Atmos or DTS X system. The soundbar also supports high-resolution audio formats such as FLAC and WAV for more detailed and accurate sound reproduction. The YAS-209BL also doubles as a smart speaker thanks to the built-in Alexa feature. You can use your voice to control the soundbar, adjust the volume, change the input, play music, ask questions, and access other Alexa skills. The soundbar has two far-field microphones that can pick up your voice even in noisy environments. You can also mute the microphones if you want more privacy. The soundbar works with the Yamaha Soundbar Controller app, which allows you to adjust the settings, select the sound modes, and update the firmware. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. What that does for me, it tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. The soundbar has an elegant design with stylish curved edges and a wraparound black fabric grille. It has a slim profile and is designed to be discreet, allowing the soundbar to sit under your TV without drawing attention to itself or reflecting the screen. The soundbar's display is limited to a few small LEDs on the top panel, which are hard to see from a distance. Also, on the top of the bar there are some basic touch-sensitive controls for source selection, volume up and down, and also power. There is also a button to wake up Alexa and another to mute the built-in far-field microphones, which are located above these indicators and controls. There is no on-screen display or remote control included, so you have to rely on the app or Alexa for most functions. On the back side of the bar we have some physical connections. It has an HDMI input and output that support 4K, HDR10, and HLG, as well as an optical input and an Ethernet port, but no Dolby Vision or HDR10+. It also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for streaming music from various sources. It's a mid-priced soundbar that offers good sound quality for movies, TV shows, and music. The main drawback of the Yamaha Audio YAS-209BL is that it does not support Yamaha's MusicCast multi-room system, which would have allowed you to connect it with other Yamaha speakers and devices in your home. For a soundbar that supports MusicCast multi-room, check my MusicCast Bar 400 overview. In conclusion, the Yamaha Audio YAS-209BL is a great choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly soundbar that offers excellent sound quality, smart features, and easy setup. It has a well-balanced sound profile that suits different types of content, and it can create a virtual surround effect that enhances the immersion. It also has a built-in Alexa feature that adds convenience and functionality. It may not have some of the advanced features of more expensive soundbars, such as MusicCast, Dolby Vision, or ear support, but it still delivers a satisfying performance that will please most users. Is it worth it in 2023? Well, it's not the most advanced soundbar on the market, but it offers good sound quality and a few extra features for a reasonable price. If you're looking for a mid-priced soundbar, the Yamaha YAS-209BL is a good option. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my two next videos. See you soon.